I'm gonna holy crap. This is up to my chest. This is chest high. I'm already past my ankles here. That is up to my knees. Holy crap. That is up to my knees. Oh God, I hope I can get out of here. Those drifts are 3 feet high. Holy crap. That drift is 5 feet high right there. It's all the way up to the windows. Neighbors completely snowed. I mean, it's covering the cars. Oh, in the back of my truck, it's like up to the bed of the truck. I don't know. I'll clean off the car, see if I can go anywhere.